Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show how to open links directly inside the Discord app using the in-app browser. This simple setting makes it much easier to stay in Discord while checking out shared links without being kicked over to your phone's default browser every time. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your home screen, look at the bottom right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. Next, scroll down a bit until you reach the app settings section. Here you'll find several options that manage how Discord behaves on your device. Tap on the settings icon to open the full menu. Now, keep scrolling until you see the option labeled Web Browser. This is where all the link handling settings are stored. Go ahead and tap it. Inside the web browser menu, you'll notice a few options related to how Discord opens links that users share in chats or servers. To enable the in-app browser, simply choose in-app browser. This tells Discord to keep you inside the app when opening any link like YouTube videos, websites, or social media pages. Once that's done, you don't have to save anything manually.